morning. It's Sunday, September 28th, and I was down working with Conrad, 6 on the bus, and he told me about this show they're having just up the road of buses. So I just checked with them, and I'm gonna go put my bus in with all theirs. A bunch of different British buses. Of course, these are all kept original, but it'll be okay. So they're using some of these buses to go make runs to pick people up to bring them to the show. So that's pretty cool. Vintage buses out there.
Alright, bud. You take your send down, spin round at the bottom, there should be plenty of room.
Okay.
Yeah, and park your send on the end of the chevron stack.
Through this gap. Okay, we're all parked up for the day. It's an interesting way to get out of the bus. This is a cool rig. First 19,000 Volvo chassis. Another articulated one on this side. These would make really interesting campers. And a few more transmission. A few more little rougher shape back here. And a garage full of them. Looks a little precarious up on the jack stands, but looks like an old one. This one's all stripped down to the skeleton. There's an interesting one. A Ford chassis. Huh. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. This one looks like Conrad's green bus. They're just stacked in here like sardines. And there's a swap meet going on. I was not aware of that. I think I'm gonna go have to take a look. Just a sampling of what's for sale here. Cool tow truck here. It must be what the other one was outside. So I'm going outside the gate here. There's a bunch of buses parked out here.
Where's it say SYTT?
Service rig of some sort. Very colorful collection of coaches. There's more arriving. Still think one of these buses would make a cool camper section, you know, seal up the front section and then have the open deck. That'd be fun.